Gold and silver both started the week on a modest bullish bias and right now trading at 20, 30 and $24 levels. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take and at what levels in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. First, let's have a look at gold on the hourly charts. You can see first base is created here, second base is created here, and it is trying to retrace a little. However, look at these two zone, and that is where 2024 levels are critical for gold. If it breaches past this zone, then only further bullishness can be seen. Right now you can see higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Hence, any breakout above 2020, you can buy there and expect it to rise. At the same time, below 2008, you can sell. However, 2004 and 2000 are two very critical support levels. Below that, certainly more downside can be seen. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking upwards. The MACD is also trying to trade bullish. It is crossed over here at bottom. It is trying to look upwards and trade bullish. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. If you look at the 2-hour, now see on the 2-hour charts, 20 and 50 period moving averages are, you can say, trading with divergence. However, 50 and 100 trying to cross over, and it is right now trading below all these three. Now, it will be important to watch how far it can retrace. Now see, it is trying to trade in this channel. 2015 again a good resistance, then 2020 levels. So these zone certainly I will watch out for in between 2015 2025 levels. A sell entry is only below 2008, that is confirmed. Below that certainly more bearishness should prevail. The stochastic is comfortable. The MACD, look at MACD, this is crossed over at bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, possibly might bring a little bullishness for gold. And yes, it can try to retrace a little on the upside. RSI trying to look upwards, show a little bullishness there. Now if you look at 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts to see first drop, then you can say slight bearish channel, retracement there, then the second drop, then the retracement. So it is basically trying to consolidate more within the zone. Yes, lower lows, lower highs. Now see, this is the broad channel in which it is trying to trade. The bottom of this channel somewhere here at 95, the highs at 2025, and there is another trend line which is giving it a little resistance at 2020 levels, which is certainly going to be a good resistance zone. Beyond that, we can buy. However, I will wait for it to break past 2025 levels. And also if you look at, see, 2000 levels, here it has got resistance, here it has got support, here it has got support. So 2000 levels is something which is going to be a very good support. And then 1995 stochastic is comfortable. The MACD trying to cross over for a buy, looking upwards. This is the second crossover here, and it is coming at a lower levels after a long losing streak, after a long bearish streak. It is trying to look upwards. And if you look at PASI, here at bottom and then try to retrace, here again at bottom and now trying to look upwards. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Now if you look at 4-hour charts, now see on the 4-hour charts, higher lows are consistently seen. See all these 4 candles beautifully aligned here. At the same time, the 20 and 50 period moving average have crossed over. This is slightly a bearish sign. And yes, if it trades above the 2020 levels, if it sustains above 2020 levels, you can buy 2025, 2030. And then if it breaks past this zone, then you can say that it has reversed and it is trying to fly high. Else, this is more of consolidation with higher lows, lower highs here. That is why I say any drop below 2008, yes, you can stay short there. Stochastic flat, the MACD again trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. Remember, it has already seen a good losing streak. Possibly if it crosses over from here, certainly little more bullishness can be seen. RSI trying to rise. And if you look at the daily, now looking at the daily chart, see over the weekend or the beginning of this week, you can say a small green candle is created. It has created a step for it to rise, and now it is trying to trade in green. However, the bullishness is not willing to go past 2020, which is a good resistance level. So similar observation, nothing different. Also now it is trading above the 20 period simple and exponential moving average, which is a good sign for gold as of now. If you look at the daily stochastic, this is also trading at bottom almost, And if you look at the MACD is the only thing which is still trading with divergence. This is the third red candle. Possibly it may converge crossover, then only little bullishness can be expected. Right now, if you look at on the daily charts, twin peak is done. It is trying. So on the daily charts, it has still got some scope for it to continue with the downward movement here. You can see this, and hence we have to still remain cautious, because see, throughout the day is just started, almost 16 hours of trading left for the day. It can still show you good swings, and the zone between 2025 and on the downside 1995, these two levels certainly you should watch out for. This is going to remain a very critical zone. RSI, you can say almost trading flat with slight bearish bias. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 2020 and sell at 2008 levels. On the downside 2004, 2000, these two levels you should wait for it to break past, then 1995. And trading below 1995, we can say more bearishness is going to prevail in gold, and we can see a good drop for 1990, 1980, and then my favorite levels 1980-70 zone will come into picture. On the upside, beyond 2025, I will wait for it to break past 2033-36 zone. If this is done, then 2044-48 levels will be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join our mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals group. We are trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. Now see, on the hourly chart, silver trading with divergence. You can see this moving averages, all three trading with divergence. After a long time, they started to converge here. That is a good sign for. Now, if you look at silver on the hourly chart, see, it has created a bottom here. It has created a support level here at 2380. Certainly a good support. Since then, it has tried to retrace, and see 2420, very good resistance. Again, higher lows, and then it is trying to retrace again. So yes, next time if you see it trading above 2410 and specifically 2420, you can buy silver here and expect 2420 to be breached. If 2420 is taken, more bullishness may prevail. Then I will look forward to 2440, 2450 levels as the next resistance. On the downside, any drop below 2390, yes, you can sell here. Below 2390, we can expect a further bearishness there, where 2380, 2375 two support levels, and below that we may see a good break for 2350 levels. So in between 2390 and 2410, at least we are not going to take any trade here. The stochastic is looking down. The MACD is on the other side. It has crossed over at bottom, trying to trade bullish, but the green ray is trying to, the candle size is trying to diminish. It is not a good sign, but yes, this crossover has come over at a lower levels, and hence it can try to stretch the rise for a little while. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. If you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts also, see the moving averages which were divergent earlier have started to converge. And if you look at the 2-hour charts also, you can see it is still trying to consolidate lower highs, higher lows. Any break below 2390 is a good indication for you to stay short. At the same time, 2410, yes, you can buy there. Stochastic flat. MACD on the other hand has crossed over at bottom, trading with little divergence, trading with little bullishness there. RSI is just trading near to the oversold zone at bottom. Likewise on the 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour charts here. See, certainly it is almost at the bottom, and any drop below 2390 is the only indication where I will recommend you to sell. Else there will be a strong probability that achieving the double bottom here, it can try to retrace again on the upside. Stochastic is almost trading flat here. The MACD on the 3-hour charts have crossed over, trading with little divergence, trying to trade little bullish here. And remember, this crossover is happening after a long losing streak, and hence silver might show a little recovery. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. And if you look at now see on the 4-hour chart, see this strong long bearish trend. After that, it is just trying to consolidate here at these levels. Now if you also look at 4-hour charts, higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Any move about 2410 and 2420 certainly will take silver till towards 2450. Possibility exists for that. Stochastic comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. See the MACD on the other hand, after a strong long losing streak, it is trying to converge crossover. It can try to pull the prices. Now see on the 4-hour charts, the MACD is almost at bottom, minus 40 levels it is, and plus 40 levels it is hardly seen, and now at this time it is breach minus 40 also. Hence a little pullback cannot be denied. RSI also trading oversold, and hence a recovery cannot be denied. So in fact, those who want to take a position, in fact, you can buy here at $24 levels, 24.10, 24.22 resistances, and if it trades about 24.20, you can expect 24.50 levels also. A sell entry is 23.90, below which certainly more bearishness may prevail. You have to be cautious there. 23.80, 23.75 zone the first support. Below that 23.60, 23.50 levels will be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Remember, the day is just started. It's a long trading session. It can show you good swings throughout the day, and hence you have to trade extremely with caution. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day again.